Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you few examples with figure which will help you to understand the relationship between AI and ML. So first example is AI system, smart email management. So your email automatically detects spam or junk emails and separates them from important messages. So basically it learns over time which messages are likely spam by looking at patterns in previous emails. So what happened at the AI layer and what happened at the machine learning layer? So at AI layer, it manages the overall email task like organizing, filtering and suggesting responses. And at a machine learning layer, a part of the AI system focused on specific tasks such as spam detection by learning patterns from the past emails. So this is a figure which will provide you a clear picture in your mind where is AI and where is ML. I do have another example, that is AI in the security camera. In a smart security camera, AI is the broader system that allows the camera to make decisions and perform tasks intelligently. So here AI enables the camera to detect facial movement in its view, and also it is going to decide if an object or person should trigger an alert, and it is also going to track individuals as they move through its field of view. So this is what happened at the AI layer. So AI makes the camera smart by enabling it to handle various tasks and respond intelligently to what it sees. Now what happened at the machine learning layer? So ML is how the camera improves its performance by learning from data. So the first one is behavior analysis and also object detection. Like the camera uses machine learning to learn the difference between people, animals, cars, plants, etc. By analyzing thousands of images. It recognizes patterns to identify what type of object is in its view. It will also do the face recognition. The camera might use machine learning to recognize specific face like family members and ignore them, while alerting you if an unknown person appears. Object classification. So ML helps camera distinguish between different events like recognizing the difference between a person walking and a tree branch swaying in the wind. Over time, it learns to send alerts only for significant events and ignores false positives. And the next is system improvements. And also you can see we have another layer, that is deep learning layer. So we'll understand about the deep learning in the upcoming lectures. So we understood how AI and machine learn work together in the camera. So here AI gives the camera the overall ability to think and decide when to record, alert and follow movement. Whereas machine learning enables the camera to improve its accuracy in recognizing people, objects and events by learning from patterns in data. So here AI makes the camera intelligent overall, while machine learning do the fine tuning its specific abilities. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.